Hi solar companies, I'm Bill from EnergyBin. Today I'm here to give you tip number 5 from our series 10 tips for buying wholesale solar equipment. What do you do when a shipment arrives at your place of business? Do you unpack it and look it over when it arrives? Or does it sit in the corner for a day, a week, or maybe more until someone has time to get to it? Pay attention. Tip number 5 will save you unnecessary headaches. Here it is. Inspect your order upon receipt. When a shipment arrives, plan to receive it in a timely manner. Check for damage. Solar panels are especially fragile because 80% of their weight is glass. Verify the products received are what you ordered. Confirm that you received a full quantity that you ordered. If the order is wrong or something was broken during shipping, contact the seller immediately. Sellers will work with you to remedy the situation. If you are buying used or refurbished equipment in bulk, it is a good idea to test the equipment upon delivery. Run electrical tests to verify IEC international standards, as well as your local electrical code standards that are met. If you find discrepancies between the condition of the seller advertised and the true condition of the equipment, you'll want to address concerns promptly with the seller. That's our wholesale buying tip for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tips and resources about buying and selling wholesale solar equipment. To learn more about EnergyBin, the B2B solar equipment trading community, visit our website or give us a call today.